So here's the meat of the whole course. How do you find products? It's so simple. So we're here, I'm on the page I was on in the last video, but I just want to show you from the beginning. You just want to go to Amazon.com, and this is what you're going to look for. Not pumpkin. And you're just going, you already have your extension, your Amzscout. It's calculating. It's doing so much work in the background. All you see is this pop-up. Or you can go up here and it'll pop up there. So I'm going to click right here since it's popping up down here first. It does take a little bit to calculate, and you can see it's calculating. What is this doing? It's taking the products that I've searched before. So if you want an actual category, you need to go up to the categories, and I'll show you how to do that after I give you this example. But in this video, you're going to see a few examples on how to pick a few products. So we're letting it think. Okay, so it stopped loading. So I would just show you how I would pick a product. So if you go over here, it gives you a niche idea. You can do it that way. You can click here and it's going to just give you random niches. They're niches that actually are selling well right now. So it's like a live grabbing of analytics and statistics that's going to benefit you and what you're going to sell. So then it not only grabs the niche, I like to call it niche, so I'm going to call it that, and it's going to rank all the products and it's going to show you why it's actually a good niche. So it grabbed this niche and it shows me it's a 5 out of 10. So it says it may be hard to succeed. So it's actually not a great niche. So if you have no idea what to sell, then you just keep coming over here to this niche idea and click for another niche, and it's going to recalculate. I'm going to pause the video and wait for it to go into the next niche and calculate. Okay, so it gave me another niche with an air purifier as a keyword search. It says the profits would be high. It gives me a ranking of 6 out of 10. That's okay. Like, that would be a marginal do I do it, do I not? Invest in it. Now, drop shipping, there's so much less like risk. So, you know, why not? It says I could have a very high profit if I could sell some. So let's just go over here, and then I'm going to show you in another video how to find a different way to find a niche. But let's continue doing what we're doing. Again, the tutorial keeps popping up just to teach you as you go. And you can look at those, or you can close them. So I'm going to close them. And so let's dig down and find a product here that we can drop ship. So over here in this column, it's product score for reselling, basically drop shipping. So reselling, arbitrage, wholesale, or drop shipping model. Okay, so 10 is the best. So whenever you click any of these category titles, that's going to separate from a high to a low or a low to a high if you click it again. So let's go high to low, and let's get the hottest product with the most amount of sales. So if you look over here at the revenue, you can see that this HEPA air filter is really selling really well. It has 117 rank in its category of home and kitchen, 9 in the filters area. The price is $50. You can see the fees. So let's see if we can list that on eBay. So remember, if you click in this area, you can go over here and find it on Google. I want to do, as a drop shipper, I want to find it on Google and see if I can list it for cheaper, or find it for cheaper and list it on there. So one way you can do that once you get over here to Google is do a search, and sometimes Google will allow you to do this or not. Let's just pick one, and I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can list this on eBay. So first of all, let's just pick one, and you're going to pick one by clicking shopping up here, and then then it's going to let you sort by, and it sorts by default. But right now you don't want to sort by default because they're giving you the most popular ones. You want to sort by the lowest to highest. And you're going to have to scroll through to find exactly what we're looking for. But for just purposes of this video, that's how I usually find the cheapest price. So I'm going to go back to default. And you can see that you can find Dollar Hog has a used one. You can find some other ones over here. So how would you list this on eBay. So you can see the prices here. You can see some of them are already listed on eBay. You can see, you know, different ones. But we want that one in particular. So one way to do it is you could come here to this product. Let's say dollarhog.net. They have it here. It's pre-owned, and you're going to say that on eBay. You don't want to lie to your customers. You can take the pictures. You can actually right click on this picture and you can save as, and you're going to take this picture and you're going to save it into a file. Okay, so this is actually how you would list on eBay. So, okay, I want to show you the problem with this. I can see it already. See how it says web page and complete? You're not going to be able to upload that to eBay. So I'm going to click cancel. One way to avoid that is to click on the actual picture again, then right click and save image, and you're going to see it turn as a JPEG or a web file. Okay, it's web file. So it's still a web file. Anytime it's a web file, you cannot use that on eBay. So that's a good thing. Like I said in my course, I'm going to show you the things that go wrong as well, so you know how to troubleshoot. The other problem with some of these pictures, taking them this way, is that they're not big enough or they're not the right size that eBay is. And I'll show you how to do that in a different video. But let's just click on a different video here. Maybe they're different. If not, I'll show you how you can get by this system. Okay, so it's just going to be a little harder, not undealable. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just continue and go back and show you the other way to list something. But basically, you would take some of these files, you would save them, and you would take all this information and list it on eBay. I'm not going to do that right now. I'll do a separate video again on how to list manually, or just check out the other videos. But I want to show you this part of how to use Dsmtool or Amzscout with this. So we have this. It's going to be, all you have to do is click on that and you're going to find it on Amazon. So you want to click, you want to use this and you want to list it on eBay. So what do? You go up here to Dsmtool. It's called Dsmtool Smart Clip. Again, go to how to install the DSM extension. If you've hopefully already watched that video. And what you're going to do is take this address, you're going to click on Dsmtool, excuse me, and do an auto paste. I've got to sign in, and I'm going to click Amazon.com. You're going to do a search on Amazon for this particular product. You want to come back up here and you're going to log into your account. Again, if you haven't signed up with Dsmtool, go ahead and look at that video on how to sign up. So once you get logged in, which I did, I used Connect with Gmail, and you use that Gmail that you used earlier, you'll see that you're logged in. And then you can do a product search here. You can see my status. I'm logged in. I'm a pro level. So you can go back to this product, and then you'll see this extension. Once you have that extension there, you can list it in Dsmtool, or you can click list in DSM, and it's going to take you to your DSM account. Now, if this says please connect DSM to your store, do it here, then you click it, and you want to connect your store as I showed you in a previous video. I have a couple stores, so I got to reconnect this one to the different store. So I connected my store, and if you haven't connected yours, make sure you do. Look in the previous videos, and then you click the little link. So once you click the list with Dsmtool, you have some choices here. Again, go back to the DSM videos and check them out. But basically, once you get here, then you click import, and it's going to go into your eBay store. So that's one way to list it. Now, if you do get this error right here, basically all you need to do is manually import the item. So what that means is it wants you to go back here to Amazon and use this link. Now, it doesn't always happen because you're not allowed to somehow they block some brands will block you from doing that, but that's one way you can do it. So now when this item sells on eBay, you would come back here to Amazon and ship it manually to the customer who ordered it on eBay. So let's go back, and so you know how to now find an item and you have no idea what to pick. The niche idea over here is going to give you an idea. So that's the end of this video. Check out the next video and I'm going to show you how to find products in a different way using Amzscout.